All right, here's a quick insider tip, okay? Because I see what's happening right now, and here's something that's working really well, and that is to get deals done faster. Is to meet your broker in person before you have it under contract. Now, typically, I advise against this because you don't want to hop on a plane every single time you have a conversation with a broker. You're always going to be on the plane. So normally, the advice is get something under contract, hop on the plane, and then inspect the property, etc. But I have observed people who have not heeded that advice, but instead gone out in person to meet with a broker. And what's happened is they've accelerated the relationship building with that broker, and in so doing, are more inclined to get off-market and pocket listings faster. So here's how to do it, okay? You don't just hop over there and meet with a broker. You want to make sure you maximize your time. You want to spend 1 to 2 full days in your target market, and you want to pack the day full, literally from breakfast to night. You want to line up property managers. So find your top 3 to 5 property managers you like, meet them, walk their properties. Line up 3 to 5 brokers that you have liked and build a rapport with over the phone, and have them show you 1 or more properties, and make sure you have meals with them, etc. Because that will really set you apart. Very few owners or potential buyers are willing to spend money. You're going to be in the top 5% of their buyers list if you do that. So we had Kyle Jones, for example, did that and got a deal fairly rapidly from starting from nothing in our mentoring program and our deal desk, really. And we've had several people really accelerate their process if they met a broker in person. So that's insider tip here, just to let you know kind of what's working right now. Also, make sure you stop by Dealmaker Live. That's our annual conference in Dallas this year, July 26, 27. That's themichaelblank.com/event. It's going to be huge, guys. We have Robert Helms, the real estate guys. Going to be Joe Fairless there, Adam Adams, Corey Peterson, Matt Faircloth. A whole bunch of people are going to be there, of course, and me as well. And we have the author of The Miracle Morning, Hal Elrod, is going to be keynoting. So I'm really excited about that because his book had a huge influence on me. So anyway, I just want to share with you this insider tip, and hopefully I'll see you at Dealmaker Live in Dallas. And before you go, make sure you grab my free ebook here, and I got another video, so check it out.